All right, Brad here from GrillGrate. It's Friday, July 19th, and Fridays around here are giveaway days. Michael picks a winner. And this week's winner, which is also week 9, it's hard to believe we're 9 weeks into this already. This week's winner is Scott Cutler from Murfreesboro, Illinois. Murfreesboro is very familiar to us. That's the home of Mike Mills and 17th Street Barbecue, and I guarantee you Scott knows Mike. But anyway, happy birthday to Mike, by the way. So congratulations to Scott. So let me tell you what he won. A $100 shopping spree from our friends at Cow, a set of grill grates that fits his grill, or a gift grill set if he wants to, duck fat spray, which we use on practically everything, the Yeti Rambler engraved with the Friday Night Steak Club logo, and a 1-year membership to the Steak Cook-Off Association. Total value about $300. We've given away every Friday until the end of August. So we've got 4 more weeks to go, and then our grand prize is the Friday before Labor Day weekend. So if you want to be in on this, you got to join the Friday Night Steak Club. Just go to grillgrate.com, click on Friday Night Steak Club. One click and you're registered. You're in for the rest of the 4 weeks of giveaways, as well as the grand prize. The grand prize is nice. It's a lot of this plus the PK Classic, the red TX model, one of my favorite charcoal grills. So join the Friday Night Steak Club. Enroll or sign up for CrowdCow's newsletter, crowdcow.com. Incredible beef. Know where your beef's coming from. And Scott's going to get himself a nice little box of CrowdCow along with these goodies. So happy Friday, everybody. Grill some steaks. It's the Friday Night Steak Club wrapping up for another Friday.